Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. We are continuing our tutorials regarding Creatify. If you're new here or you haven't checked out the previous videos, Creatify is a software aimed at creating product ad videos. If you want to check the previous videos, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out. This would be the penultimate video regarding Creatify. We have been using this software to create different product videos. We were using URLs, for example, to extract images and text from Amazon listings and for the software to create videos using those assets. I show you how to create your own avatar, how to upload your voice, how to pick from a bunch of different library voices for you to use in different videos. We were batch creating product videos as well for you to test which ones work and which ones don't. And what we're going to be doing today is creating an avatar video using a feature where you can have the avatar hold a product. You can upload an image of a product and have the avatar hold it. Just as a reminder, I'm using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of these plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you to use. And as always, I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. As I told you, we created our own avatar in one of the previous videos that we can use in different product videos. We selected this option as well where we created an image into a product video. This is the one that we're going to be using once again. These are some of the examples that we used previously using an iPhone 16. Today I'm going to be using a Coca-Cola bottle for the software to use. Right here we have three different types that we can pick from: the product shot, the avatar showcase, or the talking video. I wanna have the avatar using the product that we're uploading, so I'm gonna pick the avatar showcase. And on this part, you can describe how you want your avatar to be using the product. Model shows the bottle to the camera and turns it around. It's a simple explanation. Right here we can pick from different avatars. If we click on choose avatar, we can pick from all of these options. We have the custom avatars, the one that I created with my own face, and we have some style avatars that are for the pro version. Let's say that we want to pick Charlotte for this example, and you can pick the aspect ratio that you want your final video to have. I'm gonna leave it in square and see what the software does. And we can generate the preview image. So this is the image that the software created using the avatar that we picked and the product that we uploaded. It is a transparent image, a PNG image of just the bottle. And if we click on generate video, we can further describe how we want the product to be shown. Let's just write model shows the bottle to the camera once again and turns it around. We can pick from different faces right here. I'm just gonna leave it in auto match. We can have a 5 seconds or 10 seconds video. I'm gonna pick a 10 seconds one. And you can pick from different models: the standard one that is fast and cost effective, the professional model that creates high quality results with refined motion, and the VO model that creates cinematic video with sounds and voice. I'm gonna have the professional model one picked and I'm gonna generate the video. The software is gonna take a couple of seconds to render the video. So while the software renders the video, I'm gonna show you one of the previous videos that we created using an iPhone 16. This is one of them. The model just moves around the product a bit and it has the logo of our company on the bottom. This is another one. As you see, the movement of the product is really natural. It doesn't change its shape or its size. The software does a really good job at understanding what the product is. The software has already completed the video. Now let's check it out. As you see, it understood very well what I wanted the video to be like. The model just shows the bottle to the camera and then turns it around. As you see, the product remains the same shape and size throughout the video. It doesn't change dramatically. It looks very realistic. We can try once again using a different avatar. Let's say that I want to use my own avatar this time, but let's say that this time we're going to be using a different image. We're going to be using a pixel image This is Google's cell phone, and I'm just gonna write model talks on the phone. We can generate the preview image. This is the first image that the software created. It's really interesting because it even has some posters that I have on my house. This one shows on the video that I uploaded, so it's on the background right there. And this is the other one where I'm talking on the phone. Once again, the background is really accurate on how my flat actually looks. I'm gonna pick this one to generate the video, and I'm just gonna write model talks on the phone. I'm gonna leave it in the standard model as of now, and I'm just gonna generate the video. Let's check out the video that the software created. As you see, the avatar moves around the product seamlessly. It doesn't look fake at all. It moves around from one ear to the other and then turns it around. This software is really cool at understanding what the product is and at making it change so it looks natural. Let's check out the other one once again. I'm really impressed on how real this video looks. And all in all, you can pick out any product image that you want to use. Once again, it's better if it's transparent for the software to understand it better, so it doesn't have a background. And you can use a bunch of different avatars to showcase your product holding it in their hands. And as you see, it looks very natural, and you can use it in different scenarios. If you pick different models, you can even have audio on the videos. They cost a bit more credits, but once again, you can use them. Let's choose a different avatar for this example. Let's pick out this guy right here. Let's generate the image once again. This is the first one. In this scenario, the model has two phones. It has one in its hand and one for talking. And this is the second one. I think it looks a bit more natural, so I'm gonna use this one to generate the video. This time we're gonna pick out the VO3 model. It costs a bunch more credits. I'm just gonna write model talks on the phone, and we're gonna generate the video. So this is the final video. The software didn't actually add the audio, but it understood the instructions very well. The character and the avatar is talking on the phone. And all in all, it's a really usable clip. You could upload an audio on top of it for you to use in different scenarios. And once again, the product is used and move around seamlessly. It looks like a real video. So that is pretty much it, how you create a really short and concise product video using a product image that you can upload to the software. We created a couple of versions, the Coca-Cola one and the Pixel 9 one. You can upload any kind of product that you want to use in these avatar videos. As you see, there are a bunch of different avatars that you can pick out from the library. You can even create your own if you want to use your face in the videos. And I find it really cool that the software understands what the product is, the size of the product. It is not unrealistically large or small. It does a really cool job at understanding the product and moving it around so it looks real. And all in all, you have a bunch of different tools that you can play around with for you to create the specific video that you want to create. Once you have the videos, you can go to the edit option and further edit your video. You can add music, you can add audio, you can add captions, and all of the other tools that we've checked out in the previous videos. Once again, if you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go to the channel and do so you can get up to speed. We have more Creatify videos coming up, so if you don't want to miss them out, I really invite you to subscribe to the channel. You can check out the affiliate link on the description below. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and without further ado, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.